Hello guys, welcome to my first ever video on my YouTube channel. I am Hilmi. In this video, we are going to talk about the vowel sound We'll be using a special phonetic symbol for the sound like push, book, or could. The sound often be found in English pronunciation. That's why people often confuse it with the sound oo, as in the words blue. But don't worry, we are here to improve our pronunciation about the sound. Okay, first, let's start with learning how to make the sound. To pronounce the sound, you should focus on the correct position of your jaw, lips, and tongue. Slightly open your mouth, round your lips, and relax them. Pull your tongue back in your mouth and relax it. Lift the back of your tongue toward the roof of your mouth. Is a relaxed sound. So, your tongue and your lips should be relaxed, and your tongue should be pulled back. Now, let's pronounce it. Okay, let's practice the sound in some words. Book, 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 book. Let's try another examples. Cook, cook, cook. Put, put, put. Look, look, look. Remember, this sound is minimal pairs with oo sound. But I don't want to talk specific about the minimal pairs. I just want to use minimal pairs as an example, compare oo sound and sound. Remember, the sound is shorter than oo sound. Let's try with some example. Pull, pull. Full, full. Look, look. Could, could. Now, you know the difference, right? Let's get some examples. Could, put, push, foot, hook. Again. Good, put, push, foot, hook. Now, let's make a sentence. Peter Pan is not afraid of Captain Hook. Okay, that's all about my video. I hope after watching this video, your pronunciation about sound is improving.